I'd have known that, I'd have made your Bugatti hubcaps. But that was good. I really enjoyed the shrinking lesson. That was good.
Right on.
Yeah, because now I know I could make something like that just by you showing me. And basically get that tuck going on, lock it in, and then pound the piss out of it.
That's it.
And go from there, right? And I guess another thing I learned too, when you're going for a shape, there is a die for that shape. You know what I mean? You want to go to that thing there, the shape teller.
Yeah,
I guess
yeah.
What's it called?
Radius gauge, profile gauge.
Radius gauge. If you went to that, you could tell you what shape you're going for.
Yep.
I really like that. I learned on that piece right there how to do the panels now. Like, yeah, it seems pretty basic. It really does. I mean, I'm sure I could mess it up, but you know, try it a couple times, you get yourself one, no doubt.
Oh, dude.
I'm sure, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, just to add some shape. I mean, every bit of shape you add is
like the pull max that I got at home. If I got that running, I obviously could have a couple people I could run a piece of metal through and make that. That's pretty cool to know. And the reason being is, you know, when I usually put a roof in, I usually roll it one way, and then I try to get that shape the other way by pressure. And sometimes it goes good, and sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure, but most times. But yeah.
Can you show the elastic band trick?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this was the other thing I was going to show you that I think that maybe you would use, or maybe it's worth knowing. The elastic band on the top of a wheel. This is actually
inner tube?
That's an inner tube, 16-inch inner tube. So all that's doing is allowing whatever radius here to actually just like form this material. So it's going to press the shape of this radius of the lower anvil into here, and it's not going to stretch it.
That's what I had, like when I run through the wheel there, sometimes it leaves that line in there and it's stretching it. Like sometimes I got it too tight, or I'm not sure. But.
Well, if you're trying to just roll a piece and not add any shape to it, metal on metal wheels are always going to stretch it.
Okay.
So if you want to actually roll the panel without stretching it, you use something rubber on the top, and then what we can do is just roll from one end to the other. Oh, a little too tight here.
See, I needed that at Ross's place yesterday. Just put a little shape in that panel, eh? But
yeah, to roll the side of a quarter panel or a rocker.
I went to his 34 Ford and put it on his wheel.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, well, it worked.
It's kind of a pain in the ass.
I can see that now.
Yeah, the rubber band always falls off, but
you see the shape, seems right. Nice.
So I mean, just that for like the side of a car, right? You can actually buy rubber wheels too.
Okay.
Some guys have that, but yeah, little inner tube for rocker panel or bottom of a quarter.
Yep, and a little inner tube keep you out of trouble. I've heard that before.
Yeah. Nice.
All right, thanks everybody for coming back. I really appreciate it. I'm growing.
Thanks, Chad.
No problem.
Right on.